Looks like herding dogs' autopilot has kicked in. When you lie...
Just making sure the cat is real.
Yeah, Minnie, pet the cat. Pet the cat. Good.
This 4-year-old female elephant can paint pictures of trees. Who knew elephants had artistic skills? She did not sign up for this.
Boo.
Needs someone to start the wheel before running. Really knows how to be pampered.
Hello? 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 Are you okay?
Dora's way of saying, keep going.
My dog has just found his true calling. Where'd you go, Shadow? Did you become one with the dark?
Bed, bruv. Hurry up. Let's go. Back inside your bed. Hurry up. Hurry up. Back inside your bed. Thank you very much. Thank you.
And the club's won.
These people were lost and stopped to ask for directions.
Buenas tardes, perdona, para Bolonia. Vaya, venga, gracias.
Qué bueno, tío.
From hate to love, this journey is truly amazing. Who would have thought the grumpy cat would melt before the puppy's cuteness?
Looks like we've got a possum fitness influencer here.
Which cat moment made you laugh or melt the most? Share your feelings and fun.
Proof that my pup is a spy. He's hiding confidential document.
Oh, don't do that to Tallulah. Oh no, you're scary. Oh no, you're too scary. You're so scary.
This Madua kisses are the new trend.
Cats are supposedly afraid of water, but this one's different. Maybe it's training to be a fisherman, or just enjoying a cool...
Yes.
breakfast solidarity
He
style.
can't eat, which means
Life
you
is simply
can't eat.
too unfair right now.
This feels like the beginning of a very expensive problem.
Named Lucifer?
What you want? Want water turned on? Alright. Go for it, my guy. You spoiled little...
Couldn't figure out where she went.
Hinanap.
Sarama Rooster, the smallest chicken in the world, with the biggest attitude. These are male frigate birds inflating their red chests to attract a female. And apparently it takes a lot of effort.
Getting attention. This little cat is truly mischievous.
Albino alligators are incredibly rare, making this a very unusual sight.
This kitten is drinking milk so enthusiastically. Seeing it full makes my heart melt.
Yeah, that didn't go how they pictured it.
Stumbling upon the situation like this would make me wonder if I'm in a Disney movie.
You're lesbian? Oh, I'm so proud of you.
In my mouth.
Charlotte was trapped from the start. She just didn't realize it yet.
Despracar Campo Verde. Ya en estos momentos ya anda un animal silvestre que se encontraba cruzando la vía, pudiendo ser atropellado.
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Get ready for the goofiest and most hilarious animal fails of 2026.
Trixie. She's underneath.
Cosa fai? Stretches, good stretches. Ooh.
Cats never take the easy way.
While dealing with a flat tire, they found something unusual.
I don't, not quite. Oh, there we go.
Why were you up? No. Why were you up at 5 o'clock biting my... Oh my God.
I understand her feelings at this moment. Pure surprise and immense pride in her cat.
Okay, come on.
This is how you hide from responsibilities.
Me showing off my new move to my best.
I won't bite you. I might nibble a little bit.
Going and start communicating like humans.
I know, buddy, but they're about to close. It would be rude for us to go in like 10 minutes before they close. We just have to come earlier tomorrow. Are you excited to come back tomorrow?
For a bite, but that's not happening. Frenchie's always got something to say.
The biggest obstacle to my pro career? Belly rubs.
Truly the gatekeeper. Your cat not only knows how to open the door, but also allows his buddies to... Toilet paper home decor artist. Human, looks like this cat needs more toys to keep busy. Climbing non-stop. This kitten must be exploring its own universe, so cute.
Вась, вылазь.
Me as soon as my boss said, all tasks done.
Що таке зробив? Ти чудишся.
They said good morning back, just differently. That's a very special kind of comfort.
Cat somehow managed to scare away a bear.
He's not a mechanic, he's the chief supervisor. Good work, man.
Fai prendere la posta. Porta, porta. Andiamo?
The cat is redecorating the wall in an app.
If you move him into the shade, he'll probably shut. My celebrity crush and I, if we meet at a fan convention.
Flying foxes, also known as fruit bats, are vital pollinators in Australia. And yes, their love for fruit lives up to the name. This 4-year-old female elephant can paint pictures of trees. Who knew elephants had artistic skills?
Do not spill my drink.
Sometimes curiosity leads to unexpected results.
Wow, 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 wow.
Little guy, master of solo play.
Goose! That baby was sleeping!
Okay, peppers, herbs, steak, but wait, watermelon? I demand to see the...
These dogs were made to make us happy.
Hi, baby! Oh my God!
Of being spoiled alone. But the mischievous little one is cute.
Flying foxes, also known as fruit bats, are vital pollinators in Australia. And yes, their love for fruit lives up to the name.
Behold, the great feathered flyer. Let's turn on dramatic entrance music.
Brianna, what are you doing here?
Ain't never in my life seen a donkey and a dog be best friends.
It's only a matter of time.
That quality control is a full-time job.
Это что такое? Еще раз спрашиваю.
Okay.
Looks like we've got a possum fitness influencer here.
Huh?
This feels oddly professional.
The laziest road trip ever. Albino alligators are incredibly rare, making this a very unusual sight.
The cat's turning the bathroom into its personal climbing gym. Owner had to selfie the whole scene just to keep track.
I love you. Yes.
Expectation, Winter Wonderland, reality, pillow apocalypse.
DJ hits his song. Cutest security guard ever.
Trick or treat. I'm going.
No! I said no. Do not.
Accompanies it. Cats are supposedly afraid of water, but this one's different. Maybe it's training to be a fisherman, or just enjoying a cool...
Border Collies are so smart they've started hiring themselves as the dog walker.
You know you have a good guard dog when you come in to see this.
That guard dog's working overtime to protect others' sleep.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Do you have time to talk about...
Run away, baby, before we must spell on you. You better get away, get away.
Is this how cats show affection? A bit scratchy, but still full of love, I guess. My crazy feline.
Is this your couch, Charlie?
In the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next adorable moments.
Forget adulting. All I need is a balloon to reach peak happiness.
Oh my god, I can't even get him on video, he's so fast. My gosh.
The brave kitten explores every corner. Who knew the bathtub would be the perfect place for an adventure?
Are adorable until you get too close.
Okay, one more. Go, Mama, go. Go, Mama, go.
She did not sign up for this.
Oh my god! Dude! Oh dude, what?
Even their way of showing affection is a bit cat-like, irresistibly cute.
Leo, bang. Stay.
Hey guys, I lost my
The most perfect hiding spot is where no one expects.
cat, so
This cat is a master of disappearing acts. He pays the rent, but the cat owns the property.
Oops, this potato just fell into such a deep REM sleep. When the local wildlife is more concerned about recycling than your neighbors.
Even if he seemed a bit grumpy at first, everyone will. Even cleaning the house isn't peaceful with this kitten. Perhaps it's helping its owner clean in its own special way.
Sushi? Sushi? Hi! Morning! Morning! Pandainya.
Do you think she's just noticed now?
No. Have a fight or flight response. Fight or fight more.
Salam alaikum. Wow.
We meet this cat again.
كيف حالك؟
Let's listen to his tone.
Polly, what did you do?
she has in her kennel, and I look over. I've never seen this toy before. Because it's a block of ice from the backyard.
Oh no! No!
Вась, вылазь.
That's not a blanket. That's a 50-pound security system.
Bed, bruv. Hurry up. Let's go. Back inside your bed. Hurry up. Hurry up. Back inside your bed. Thank you very much. Thank you.
What is it?
What, bud?
Who needs a skateboard when you have a friend who's this cool?
Crawling backward under the sofa, then a surprise attack. That's the kitten's unique stealth and attack technique.
He didn't just bring the rings, he gave the guests a private NASCAR experience.
Sleep without a care.
Yeah, that didn't go how they pictured it.
Is this shocked face due to the cat's own doing or pure shock at its handiwork? Share your funny pet stories below. I would love to hear them. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, goodbye, and see you in our next exciting video.
We're watching what happens when German Shepherds ditch the police life for pure chaos.
What did I?
Hey, little guys. Ooh.
Chaos is a lifestyle.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
According to cat math, you're already so late for dinner.
Harp seal pups are born with a fluffy white coat that helps them blend into the ice, but they keep it only for a few weeks. Two seconds outside and he's done.
How's my handsome boy doing today, huh? Huh? How's my handsome boy, huh? Are you doing good today, huh?
Do.
George, get off the frickin' shower head.
New tiny roommate.
Looks like we had a bit of beef jerky. Tasty. Looks like we...
Out on the lawns. Right? Selfie time?
There you go. There you go. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Up here.
Not me. I just took him to the mall to hang out.
Me as soon as my boss said, all tasks done.
Slowly touch. Good.
She's so happy with herself.
This hide-and-seek game seems simple, but
the bear. Behold, an apex predator.
Charlotte was trapped from the start. She just didn't realize it yet. You didn't close the door. You challenged him.
What the heck?
Okay.
What are you doing?
is this kitten learning martial arts or what? And wearing a superhero outfit, it's just meant to be mischievous. The cat decided to turn the toilet into a...
Oh, I'm stuck here forever. This little guy isn't letting me stop.
How do you feel? Isn't it amazing how unconditional love can come from the most unexpected places? Share your pet's special friendships. Shifty cat eyes behind.
Looks like the start of a new friendship.
Even their way of showing affection is a bit cat-like, irresistibly cute. This kitten is so eager to catch birds but keeps missing. So incredibly adorable.
A reunion of a very confused, very fluffy family.
Chickens do this when they feel safe. Even if it looks a bit...
Make everything better. Roxy's deep in thought. Or just people watching.
Oh, Ricky.
Welcome to where fur meets funny. Get ready for the clumsiest puppies that are guaranteed to make you lose it. Let's get into the laughs.
What's wrong with this cat?
Stop it. Stop. What are you doing?
Kitten stories you'd like to share? Leave a comment below. We'd love to hear them. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next video.
Pure comfort right there.
Oh my God, I can't even get him on video, he's so fast. My gosh.
When gravity is his only true enemy. Clearly, this dog is living in 3026.
Jaguars can adapt to almost any environment, from dense rainforests to wetlands and open land.
Very good at this game.
He's playing, just not by the same rules.
Hey guys.
This has got to be some sort of joke because I... Oh, sorry to bother.
Are we adopted from? Please stop saying, hey, you're friends.
One look is enough to know. This house had a very productive day.
He's home.
Okay, there's a wreck here, and there's a bunch of people down there, but look, all the cows are so concerned. Oh my God, they're all just